welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel. And today I am so excited. It's starting to be Christmas time and I wanted to bring you guys a gingerbread wax melt tutorial. Before we get started with the video, I just wanted to thank you guys for making the giveaway so successful and the Halloween sale so successful. I'm so excited to be back and be bringing you guys a lot of very fun Christmas tutorials. So the first step is getting your silicone mold. This is a Wilton Gingerbread Boy silicone mold. I'll have it linked down below if I can find it on Amazon for you guys or somewhere else. So the first thing I'm going to do is get some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe this out so the wax melt doesn't have any debris in it. So now that I've got my gingerbread mold all cleaned out, I'm going to add some different mica powders and glitters. So I've got Mermaid Trails and Sparkle Sunshine from Micas. I'll have my affiliate link down below if you guys want to check these out. So basically the point of the gold is going to make our gingerbread guy look more like he's made of gingerbread and not so flat. And then this one is just to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to take my mica powder. I've got a Q-tip, but you can just kind of dump it in there. I'm just going to gently go over the bottom, and this is going to kind of add some dimension to our gingerbread guy. So now that I've got the gold in there, and you can really use any kind of gold mica powder that you have, or glitter. So now that that's done, I'm going to grab my Mermaid Trails. This is like my favorite kind of glitter to use, and get a different Q-tip. You can really use the same one. I'm going to keep my other Q-tip because I have a cool design I'm going to do afterwards. So I'm just going to tap the mica powder in there. You can also use a makeup brush. I've seen that works really well. If you guys have seen Royalty Soaps, she takes the makeup brush and like dust over her soaps. I would love to get into soaps. I would just have to kind of learn and figure it out like I did with the candles and wax melts, but I definitely want to get into soaps one day. So now that that's done, it's time to get our wax ready. So I've got my metal pitcher here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of wax melt wax. I'll have these linked down below. And I'll have a number that pops up on screen somewhere that lets you know how much wax per gingerbread you'll need. I'm going to get my wax melting. I'm going to add 1/64 teaspoon of some more mica powder. This is just going to help it as it dissolves in our wax warmer to be even more sparkly. So I added 1/64 teaspoon of that. Next I'm going to add 1 drop liquid brown candle dye, and this is from Aztec Candle Supply. I'm just going to add 1 drop of this. So now I've got my wax completely melted. At this point you can add fragrance oil if your wax has reached 200 degrees, and then get that mix in and take it off the heat. I'm going to let my wax melt wax cool to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it will be ready to pour into the mold. So my wax has cooled and it's time to pour. I'm going to let my gingerbread men cool and I will be right back. So the gingerbread men have solidified and I'm going to pop them out of the mold. So our next step, this is optional, but I'm going to take some black liquid candle dye and I'm going to add it to a Q-tip and make little buttons on the gingerbread men. If you want to, you can also add little eyes to the top. So here they all are. Got the button ones and then some plain ones. I think these are really cute too. Thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys some Christmas tutorials. It is my favorite time of year. Comment down below any Christmas tutorial ideas you have for me and I'll try to recreate them. Thank you guys again for watching and I will see you guys next Thursday.